Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. So now let's check with me. Captain America. The first one is a Captain America, you can see right now. Okay, the next Mobil Truk. Mobil Truk, very nice truck. Mobil Truk Indonesian language. About this one, supercar, white color. The next, super motorbike, red color. Nice truck, shoot truck, but I don't know its name. If you know its name, please write down. Very nice. How about this one? Hero Spider-Man, red Spider-Man. Bulldozer. Racing car, orange color, number 9. Racing car number 9. How about this one? Excavator, mini excavator. A logistic truck. There are 2 containers, yellow container and green container. Everybody, let's move to a right side. Oh yeah, right side here. Let's move to a right side. So now I put some water. Everyone, you can see a hero Captain America. This one, a little Captain America. Now check the next one. 4-wheel super motorbike. You can see a nice 4-wheel super motorbike. This one. Now check the next one. Cement mixer. This one is a nice cement mixer truck. A mini logistic truck. You can see a logistic truck. They are yellow container. How about this one? A police car, a mini police car. Batman, hero Batman. You can see a hero Batman with black color, like a bat. How about this one, everybody? This is a tanky, Mobil Tanki. Indonesian language, Mobil Tanki or tank truck. Racing car green color or supercar green color. The next one. Bulldozer, mini bulldozer, everybody. This one is mini bulldozer. After we check a bulldozer, now we check another racing car, mini racing car green color with the letter A. A lowercase letter A. How about this one? Iron Man black color. Iron Man black color. The next one. Cement mixer truck. This one is a cement mixer truck. Everybody, so now let's move forward. So we can see another interesting truck. Mobil Truk, Indonesian language. Mobil Truk. The next one, super motorbike, yellow color. Super motorbike, yellow color. Another one, supercar. Oh, sorry, everybody. This one is a racing car. A racing car Pro 7. A racing car Pro 7. Now check the next one. Red police car. Red police car. Very nice police car. A ladder truck. Hero Captain America. Hero Captain America. You can see Hero Captain America with a strong gas shield. How about this one? Garbage truck. Garbage truck. How about this one? Hero Iron Man. Little Hero Iron Man. Racing car. Green car. Green police car. Green police car. Excavator. This one is an excavator. This one is an excavator. A latest mini excavator. Very nice. Everybody, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy this video. Be sure like, comment, and especially click the subscribe button. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.